Bang, aku suka dulu. Say Bangal.
Teacher, lovely teacher, my dear friend. My name is Smita. I am studying in LKG. My school name is Paradise Petrol. Today I am lecture milkman. I am a milkman. Milkman is one of our developers. He gives us milk. He comes early in the morning. He carries milk in container. He delivers milk door to door every day. He issues money, partial milk. He may travel by bicycle and motorcycle. Milkman is generally friendly. Milkman is very punctual person.
Milkman is
Milkman is
a
hardworking person.
He keeps
He keeps a lot of cow and buffalo in his home.
milk is
Milk is
nice.
nice. Milk is nice. Milk is